Hi everyone! Okay, so in this video we're going to be talking about plants again. Okay, last time we talked about the different parts of the plant. This time we're going to ask 3 different questions, okay? And we are going to ask, what do plants have? What do plants need? And what do plants give? Okay, so first we're going to talk about what plants have, okay? So what do plants have? Like, what are their different parts and what do they do? Okay, so let's remember the top of the plant first. Okay, it's the first part you see when it's growing. Let me show you a picture of one plant. It's a drawing from a different book. Okay, so this one, what did we say this is called? It is a flower. So that's the top of the plant, right? So that's one thing that it has. It has flowers. So let's write that in there. Flowers. Okay. So plants have flowers. What else do they have? Yes. The part that looks like a stick, but it's not a stick, is called a stem. That's what holds your flower up, or the plant in general, okay? The stem. Now what do we have on the stem? On the stem there's like little, usually green things, kind of like these over here. What are these? Leaves, yes. Plants have leaves. All right, and then when we go to the bottom, the part that's in the ground, in the dirt, and the part that takes all the water from that soil, what is that part called? Those are the roots. Good. So the roots are very important. So those are okay, so something else that I think that plants have is fruit. Usually the flowers can become a fruit. Okay, if we have a lemon tree outside, there's little white blossoms, little white flowers, and those can become the fruit. They become the lemon. And inside the lemon, there's another thing that the plant has, and it's where it grows from. It's the seeds. Good. So that's something else I think plants have. I'm going to write it down. Now, let's talk about the need. Okay, I already have one written down for you. Okay, so this is the part at the bottom. The roots are inside of it. What is it called? It is called soil. Good. So soil is where we're putting that seed in order for it to grow. What do we put after we cover that seed with the soil? Water. Good. So plants need water just like we do. All right, so what is something else you think that plants need in order to grow healthy? They need sunlight. Good, just like we do. We need sunlight. Okay, sunlight helps the plant in growing its own food. Okay, so it needs soil, water, and sunlight. Okay, now, what do plants give? Plants give fruits and vegetables. We talked about that over here, right? I said that's part of the plant because it is, but when we take it, that's something that the plant is giving to us, right? Okay, so if we go to an apple tree, the apple tree has the fruit, it has apples, but when we take it, it's meant for us. Okay, so that plant is giving us the food and the nutrients that we need to grow big and strong. Okay, so let me write down that word. It gives us fruits, and they also give us vegetables. Okay, I mentioned corn. Corn is a very nutritious vegetable. Okay, so we talked about what plants can give us. They give us fruits and vegetables. So I have something for you to try. I want you to go up to mommy or daddy or whoever's in the kitchen, or you can tell them about it. And tell them what you just learned. You learned about how plants grow and that plants give us the fruits and vegetables that we have in our kitchen, and we consume them, we eat them, and they make us big and strong too. Okay, so go look in your refrigerator, go look in your pantry, and name the different fruits and vegetables. Tell mommy or daddy or grandma or grandpa, whoever's at home, how that fruit or vegetable came to be. How do you know it came to be that way? An apple. Where did the apple come from? Okay, so give that activity a try at home with your family. Alright friends, and with that, remember our concept. Concept is what we're learning from this lesson. Okay, so remember that plants are grown for different purposes. There are different plants for different things. There are some plants that we grow to eat, and then there are plants that we use to make paper or shade. Our houses can be made out of plants if they're made out of wood. The wood came from a plant. And then also for beauty and enjoyment. Sometimes the things that we use at home to take care of our bodies, maybe toothpaste or the lotion that we use on our face, that is made from plants too. Okay, so remember, again, plants are grown for different purposes. They are grown for food, for paper and shade, and then for beauty and enjoyment. Okay, friends, good job. Until next time.